speak in between Malayalam as well. അമ്മ കമ്മിറ്റിയുടെ ഒരു ഏറ്റവും നല്ലൊരു ഉദ്യമങ്ങളിൽ ഒന്നാണ് പ്രവാസി മാഗസിൻ എന്ന ഒരു അറ്റംപ്റ്റ്. ശരിക്കും പറഞ്ഞാൽ ബോബി എന്നെ ഈ ഒരു കാര്യത്തിന് വേണ്ടി അപ്രോച്ച് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ ജീവിതത്തിലെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയൊരു പ്രതിസന്ധിയിലൂടെ കടന്നുപോയ സമയമായിരുന്നു. അപ്പം ദിവ്യയും പോയി വന്നിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞു, നമുക്കിങ്ങനെ ഒരു പ്രവാസി മാഗസിൻ ഉണ്ട്, നമുക്കത് മുമ്പോട്ട് കൊണ്ടുപോകാൻ കാർത്തിക് ചീഫ് എഡിറ്റർ ആകാമെന്ന് ചോദിച്ചു. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു, എനിക്ക് ഒരു ചീഫ് എഡിറ്റർ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു എക്സ്പീരിയൻസും ഇല്ല, ബട്ട് സ്റ്റിൽ ഐ ട്രൈ മൈ ബെസ്റ്റ് ടു ഗെറ്റ് ഇറ്റ് ഡൺ. Still, I was actually going through lots of emotional trauma because of my abortions associated. Especially I thank Divya because she was my backbone throughout all the process. Because whenever I was going down, she picked me up and said, Katya, you can do it. And that is the result of Brasi magazine. Yeah, that's the result of today. Like, we have got the Pravasi magazine here. First of all, I'm just standing here to express my gratitude, the Amma committee, for giving us, all of us, the chance to be part of this magazine. Amma President Bobby, of course, he was throughout supporting all of us. Still, we had a good fight, right, Bobby? Still, we resolved it, of course, with all respect. And that is what, I just appreciate each and every member of this magazine committee. Like, they all supported each other. When someone goes a bit up, with their own opinion, they all, try to compromise and try to explain how to go ahead with the Pravasi magazine. Next, I would like to thank the Pravasi committee members, of course, starting from Bobby, then our Ajay John, of course, he was our editorial member also. Then Hijas Munathil Krishnadas, our great Sadishai, because he was he was a good support and guidance for interviewing the great personalities, and of course, that was a good experience in my life as well. And Sriji, she was there also being a support. And Ram Kumar, yes, I should appreciate Ram's effort. He was always calling and updating about, asking me about how it's going on. And he put lots of effort in order to reach this magazine to lots of people. He was giving me all sorts of people's link, and I really appreciate your effort, Ram. And I think we all are the members of this Pravasi magazine. And the editorial board, starting with Saishai, Divya, Aju, and Hijas. We 5 were there in the editorial board. Of course, some people put lots of efforts, some supported in some other way. ശരിക്കും പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഓരോരുത്തരുടെയും എഫേർട്ടാണ് അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു ആകെത്തുകയാണ് ഞങ്ങളുടെ മാഗസിൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഒരാൾ കൂടുതലോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരാൾ കുറഞ്ഞോ അതിനകത്ത് പോകുന്നില്ല എന്ന് ഞാൻ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും പറയുന്നു. അതുപോലെ നമുക്ക് ഫിനാൻഷ്യലി നമുക്ക് സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്ത ആർട്സ് എന്ന ഓരോ ആൾക്കാരെയും ഈ സമയത്ത് ഞാൻ ഓർക്കുകയാണ്. കാരണം ഓഫ്കോഴ്സ് അവരുടെ ഒരു സപ്പോർട്ടാണ് ഇതിനുള്ള ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ സപ്പോർട്ടും മുമ്പോട്ടുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾക്ക് സഹായമായത്. പിന്നെ ഈ മാഗസിൻ്റെ ഒരു ആത്മാവെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇതിൽ കോൺട്രിബ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത ഓരോ ആൾക്കാരുടെയും എഴുത്തുകളാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഒരുപാട് ആൾക്കാർ ഇതിനുവേണ്ടി എന്താ പറയുക, ഇതുവരെ ഹിജാസും കൃഷ്ണദാസും രാംകുമാറും ഒക്കെ ആയിരുന്നു ആർട്ടിക്കിൾസ് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരുപാട് പ്രൊവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓരോ ആൾക്കാരെ കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്ത്, ഓഫ് കോഴ്സ് ഇറ്റ്സ് ക്വൈറ്റ് ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ട്, യു ഹാവ് ടു കീപ് ഓൺ ആസ്കിങ് them. Still, everybody is busy with their own hectic schedule, and they all supported us to bring out the best articles. And the one of the best thing, we got a chance to know about people like Daniel McCrann, like Sachi Achin, then Farhan Shah, then our great dancers like Adila Govind, Priya Ramesh, then from the literary point, Sumya Niruthan, then the movie Anish Nair. So the talented people all, we try to include all these talented people in our magazine. And everyone has their own stories, and everyone has their own success in their life. And that is the main thing, we try to inculcate in our magazine as part of the message hope. Because in the era of pandemic, we all in a dilemma. We all we can't, we have no idea when it is going to end. We have no idea when we can go to India, meet our parents, meet our siblings. Still, we are trying to, give a message. Still, we can have a hope in our life, right? So that is the message. Even in the era of this pandemic, we can do something for the society. We can do something for the people, who is living here. So that is the best thing. So I really thank each and every writers who contributed, each and every people who really helped in interviewing the people, going there, like interviewing them and creating each and every article. And the whole process gave us all the ideas how to go ahead and like the Metro Malayalam, he just connected us with me, George Cheddar Printing Press, and at the end he created Pravasi magazine in ISU. So he was there for throughout all the support. And I really thank Binu also. I think Binu also told me he will be joining with us for the publication. Of course, not the least, but of course our Paul Zachariah sir, because I just put his name at the end because we all know that we are so proud to have him here because it's our attempt, it's the first online attempt, and I think I don't need to tell much about him because he's such a great personality in terms of writing and in terms of leading. So we are really grateful, Paul Zachariah sir, for being here and of course supporting us to publish this online magazine. I think I try to include everyone as part of the journey of this magazine. If I missed anyone, please forgive. Yes, the family who all supported each members of this publication. Like I know when we all got busy with our things, the family who supported each of us, really, I really express my gratitude because they sacrificed their time, their family time in order to, all this process to come true. So I really express my gratitude to the families who involved with this process as well. I think the next one is the launching of the magazine. So I invite Paul Zachariah sir to launch the magazine online and for the message. Thank you.